Today we invite you behind the scenes of our exciting custom design process. After consulting with the customer, we create a CAD drawing of the piece at all angles. Once a customer has approved the CAD design, we create a wax mold which has been 3D printed. Initially, the wax mold is attached to a base and tubes are added to ensure proper gold distribution. This base is called a tree. A cylinder is placed over the tree to allow plaster to be poured around the mold. The plaster, which is similar to plaster of Paris, is called investment. The investment is mixed to create a slurry which is poured into the cylinder, completely enveloping the tree. Bubbles are vacuumed out of the mixture, ensuring no cavities in the mold. A vibration machine is also used to remove bubbles. Both steps are vital because if bubbles are left in the mixture, the gold will fill the cavities and create bubbles on the surface of the piece. The flask is inserted into the kiln, which burns overnight for 8 hours. The next morning, the gold, whether new or the customer's sentimental old gold, is melted using a high-temperature torch. The flask is removed from the kiln and placed on the vacuum. The molten gold is poured into the flask and the vacuum suctions it into the mold. Once the gold is completely poured into the mold, the flask is dipped into a bucket of water. This quenches the mold and completes the cast. The cast is removed from the flask and placed into an ultrasonic cleaner. Then steamed off to remove any excess plaster. This is a freshly cast mounting. It has a dull surface to start, but will eventually be polished into a high shine. The base of the tree and the tubes are cut off the casting. The ring is placed into a tumbler mixed with small steel pins. The mix spins and polishes all angles of the ring. This starts to give the high polished look. Loose stones that have been provided by the customer or that have been hand-selected by our certified gemologist are gathered to be placed into the mounting. Each hole in the mounting has been made with the exact measurements of each stone, so the diamonds fit into the setting like a key in a lock. Every diamond is then hand-set into the mounting. Here we see the final product, set and polished to a mirror finish. Every detail has been intricately designed and executed. Let A&J Jewelers build your dream today.